If you already have configured your intakes and treatment plants, you can start developing your case study. To do this, you must click on Create New as shown in the following image. However, here we will carry out a small review of what we have. By now you should have defined the location of the catchment or catchments that provide water to your city. You indicated the characteristics of your water intake system, types of connection, existence. After you indicated which processes and technologies are part of your treatment plant. Within the process you reviewed the cost functions. This is data that you must link to the case study. In your case study you can indicate if you want to analyze your benefits in the carbon market, and to configure the objectives and activities that you want to integrate into analysis. You can configure the parameters required by the models. After, you must describe the financial data assigning to your project. You must indicate the nature-based solutions of your interest, and launch the analysis by indicating to the system the climatic conditions that you believe will be present during the course of implementation of your project. The system provides a series of forms which require filling out the following information: name, description, and the infrastructure. Waterproof case studies require the previously elements configured. That is your drinking water treatment plants, or you can create your own custom infrastructure. In this example, we will select the first option. The system will show you the list of catchments and treatment plants available to engage them within the case study and analyzes the operation and maintenance costs of the infrastructure, including the possible benefits of nature-based solutions. Waterproof can consider the economic benefit associated with the carbon market. For this, the user must activate the option and indicate the benefit in money per tons of CO2 equivalent. Waterproof suggests to the user a carbon market benefit value taken from Global Carbon Accounts publication, but the user can edit this value according to their local condition. Click the Next button. Next, you must select the objectives that are sought with the implementation of the nature-based solutions. In our test, we will select the following. Waterproof version 1.0 uses Rios as the software for the construction of the nature-based solutions portfolios. In this regard, the user can select the objectives for the portfolio from 7 options available in Rios. 1. Erosion control for drinking water quality. 2. Erosion control for reservoir maintenance. 3. Nutrient retention, phosphorus. 4. Nutrient retention, nitrogen. 5. Flood mitigation. 6. Groundwater recharge enhancement and base flow. Waterproof performs mathematical modeling using the INVEST models. The next step is to define the biophysical parameters. You can explore the default options by clicking the Advanced Options button. The system loads by default the predefined biophysical parameters for these models according to the location in the world where the analysis is performed. However, users can edit the modeling biophysical parameters if they have specialized information. Waterproof allows editing the values of 40 biophysical parameters associated with the 6 mathematical models. Detailed information on these parameters can be found in the INVEST documentation. This option was proposed for advanced users. The system will display the form to configure the financial parameters that you have to manage your project annually. This section presents typical expense categories such as personnel, office costs, travel, equipment, and contracts. Your screen should look as shown below. Users can define financial parameters for the analysis and include the operating costs of the program in charge of the nature-based solutions implementation. Within the annual costs of the program, users can indicate personnel salary and benefits, office costs, travel expenses, equipment, vehicles and overhead, and transaction costs. Waterproof suggests the value of these costs according to the experience in different countries of the Nature Conservancy knowledge conservation programs. However, all values can be edited by the users. Finally, the discount rate for the ROI analysis must be indicated. In this case, The system allows the user to enter a discount rate for the analysis and a minimum and maximum discount rate. In order to perform a simple sensitivity analysis, the system suggests the discount rate values, taking as reference. However, users can modify the values according to their more detailed information. Users must select the nature-based solutions they wish to consider for the case study analysis. By default, 5 nature-based solutions are configured in the system available to all users for selection. 1. Active restoration, enrichment. 2. Agroforestry. 3. Forest conservation. 4. Passive restoration, and 5. Silvopastoral systems. These nature-based solutions were created in the system as examples only. However, Waterproof allows a user to create their own nature-based solutions. During this nature-based solutions creation process, the user must parameterize by indicating its name, time required to obtain maximum benefits, benefit percentage at time t equals 0, maintenance periodicity, implementation cost, maintenance cost, opportunity, cost and land use, land cover transition. This last step of the process details certain parameters for running the ROI analysis. Your screen should look like the following. You must enter the following data: analysis time period, implementation nature-based solutions period, the currency of analysis. The climate scenario. Waterproof can perform the analyses considering historical climate or under 6 climate change scenarios. Next, you must enter the yearly budget for analysis. At the bottom of the screen you can assign the budget for each of the nature-based solutions you want to implement. Click the Run Analysis. The case study calculation process may take a few minutes, for which the system is configured to send you an email indicating when you can re-enter and check the results. When the processing ends, the system will return you to the case study list screen from where you will be able to see the results of the analysis. Continue with the following video to see the reports in detail.